Hi, hello, 𝙬𝙧𝙚𝙬 here. We create excellent presentations. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create those three shapes in just PowerPoint. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see, these three awesome shapes look like they were made in some more advanced programs like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, right? But actually, I've just made them just in PowerPoint and just in about 10 or 8 seconds. So I will show you in a minute how to make it. So first of all, we need the basic shape, so an oval. So go to the Insert, Shapes, and right here you have an oval. As you can see right now, I can draw my oval. But if I would like it to be perfect oval, I need to be pressing Shift key. So as you can see right now, aspect ratio is blocked. Alright, that's perfect. Alright, so let's paste it on a new slide. Alright, so as you can see, we have our main basic shape, so an oval. The next thing will be a little bit more advanced, but I will show you how to make it. Go to the Insert, Shapes, and Rectangle, and draw your rectangle. Alright, like here, and you need to change the color. For instance, black, or alright, black. We need to make it, we need to increase the height of this rectangle, so let's make it. Alright, and of course we need to change the width as we want, I think like that. Alright, so right now we need to create some duplicates of it. So of course you can use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, but there is a better way. You can use Ctrl and D. So as you can see, I have selected this rectangle. When I click Ctrl and D, new duplicate is created right here, and right now we need to change the position, so right here, and I think spacing right here, and I think the spacing is good. And the next thing that you have to do is just to click Ctrl and D once more, and of course, yeah, you need to change the position, this position right here. Alright, and right now you need to be pressing Ctrl and D sometimes. So the first, the second, as you can see, and this is awesome feature because as you can see right now, there are new duplicates, but the spacing is the same, and of course the size is also the same. Alright, that's perfect. So right now I can select all of those rectangles, and I think yeah, I can union them. So go to the shape format, merge shapes, and union. So right now this is just a one shape, right? Alright, so right now we need to rotate this whole shape by 45 degrees, or any degree that you want. I just thought that 45 degrees will be cool. And right now we need to position it right here, so as you can see, above our oval. And the last thing is to select as a first this object, and as a second our oval. So let's do it by Shift or Ctrl key, and you need to go to the shape format, merge shapes, and intersect. And as you can see, it was quite quick and quite easy to do, right? Of course, you can modify the width of those rectangles, and of course the spacing. Alright, so let's create the second shape, so the rectangle. So like earlier, we need the basic shape as a first, so let's do it. Alright, the next thing is to create those rectangles. So I think in this case we will make them a little bit narrow, like here. Alright, the next step is to create some duplicates of it. So Ctrl and D and position it right right here, yeah, right here, and Ctrl D sometimes. Alright, we need to select all of those rectangles, merge shapes, union, and we are nearly there. We need to rotate it, and of course the last step is to position it right here. Alright, merge shapes, intersect. As you can see, it looks quite interesting, right? And the last one, just a square. So let's create a square. Exactly. And you know, the same process like earlier, we need to create some rectangles. So I think maybe in this case, in the third case, those rectangles will be really wide, like here. Yeah, and I'm not sure if I mentioned about it, but actually the color doesn't matter. Of course, you can change it later. Alright, let's select all of those rectangles, merge shapes, union, and of course you can change rotation like here. Alright, let's select both of those shapes, merge shapes, and intersect. And that's quite all. I think you really liked this tutorial, and I'm sure that you have not known about this trick earlier before, but right now, after watching this video, I'm sure you know how to make it. So if you liked this tutorial, please give us likes below, subscribe our channel, and turn on the notification bell, because then you will not miss out any of our future videos. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.